The most annoying thing I encounter when I go to the mall, I don't want to spend all my time just walking, burning a lot of calories to find where should I go. So Mixxus is here to help. Mixxus is a cloud on-premises multi-tenancy content management system solution for digital wayfinding and self-service kiosks. In 2018, we have an office in Jordan, in Egypt, our headquarters in Dubai. Our ambition is global reach. Why you should use Mixxus? Because Mixxus will save you time and efforts for finding your way to your favorite store, restaurant, outlet, fashion store, you name it. It's really easy to use, easy to integrate with other systems. It's responsive, working on all kinds of screens, tablet, phone, TV, and the most important thing, there is no need for you or for the customers to install applications. All you have to do is scanning a QR code and you're good to go. We provide many services. For example, customer feedback, product finding, asset finding, and seat finding. We have over 25 plus customers in Bahrain, UAE, Oman, Jordan, and we're hoping to expand more in the world. For more information, please visit our website www.mixxus.io or send us an email to ce@mixxus.io. Thank you for choosing Mixxus. How to add maps. Before adding maps or uploading maps on our system, our team will draw the maps, SVG maps. Then we can upload them. And how to upload them? You can find in the system an icon called Edit Floors. Click on it. A list of floors that already added to the system. You will see it. You can edit it by clicking on the floor itself, or you can download the SVG map. And if you need a new floor, just type the title for the floor, upload the SVG map, and you can upload the base map, and you're good to go. Don't forget to save. How to add point of interest, POI. Usually clients will have to provide us all the POI that they want to show on the map. Go to the map, click on the map, a form will pop up. You will have to add all the details in this form, and you have the option to enable this point or disable it in the future if you want so. Just move the active point slider, and if you wish to turn this point to a kiosk, you only have to move that little slider to active a kiosk, and you will have a kiosk on the map. And you can categorize all these points into categories. Why? Because it's easier to work with. After you finish, just click save and you're done. Why we need categories? For example, if we have a mall, there's restaurants, there's fashion stores, there's outlets, there's a lot of places that you want to put together so people can find it easier. That's why we use category. All you have to do is go to the CMS, click on the blue icon, add category. A pop-up window will open and it will list all the categories that you have. So you can edit the category and you can delete it. But if you want a new one, you just have to add the title and upload an image for the category, and you're good to go. Don't forget to save. How to show all the kiosks. As I mentioned in other videos, that we can add as much points as we want, and we can turn these points into kiosks. Once you turn the point to kiosk, you can find it in the kiosk section. Just click on the kiosks and a list of all points will show up. These points are kiosks. What you can do with it, you can preview it, you can find it on the map, click just the I button and preview it. You can copy the link of the kiosk and send it to the customer or the client. You can generate a QR code for this particular kiosk. And lastly, you can add a widget to this kiosk by clicking the earth icon. How to change themes. Yes, we do have a themes. Why? Because clients want to change things, colors, to match the brand identity. So what you have to do is to go to CMS, click themes. First thing is a sliders that change the colors of the background of the buttons or the borders. You can play with it, have it the way you want to look. Also, you can change the color of the pathway and you can change the speed of that pathway. Plus, you can add an icon for the starting point from this section easily. And you can add a title in English and Arabic for the home page. And lastly, you can alter the zoom. You can add more zoom to the map or less zoom. You can control that, yes. how to add sliders. Sliders, we use it on the home page. Why? Because when the screen is inactive, nobody using the maps, we need to show something. So we show the home page. We can show a picture, or we can show a sliders, or we can show videos. You can decide. So where to add the sliders or the videos? Go to the CMS, click the sliders. A list of sliders will show up. You can preview the slider, edit the slider, or delete the slider. Or maybe you want to add a new slider. Just click the add new and be sure to enable the active slider. Then choose how long you want this slider to be played in seconds. And of course, you can upload the image of the slider or the video in this section. And that's it. We prepared for you a statistic dashboard. Go to the CMS, click on the statistics dashboard, and you will get a beautiful graph that will show you how many people entered the building, where did they go, where did they click. You will get a filter, so you can choose which kiosk you want to get data from. So you choose the kiosk and you choose the date, and the information will show up in the graphs. And don't worry, you can get all these data exported to Excel sheet or a PDF, and you can then study these numbers to understand your customers. We added a control panel so you can enable things or disable things. For example, you don't want to show your logo on the home screen. You just disable it. You don't want to show a virtual keyboard. Just disable it. You need a screensaver. Okay, go to the control panel, enable the screensaver, and you get a screensaver, but don't forget to upload the sliders. And you can do so many things in this section. And believe me, it's really simple. I hope you enjoyed.